Alright, what's up guys? Today we're going to be installing the first carbon piece on the F10. So it's going to be this one right here. We'll be taking this one off. Now we're going to be putting on this one right here. Alright guys, so we're going to walk you guys through the whole process of how to install this and take off the other one. And yeah, there you go. We're gonna be putting. You don't put me in the camera. Let me put this one on right here. Alright guys, so we're gonna attempt to do this without taking off the bumper. So yeah, let's get started.
Does the beat take you over? You just can't breathe. Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones? Does the bones take you? Do you feel your bones take you? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones take you? Take you? Do you feel your bones? Does the bones take you? Do you feel your bones take you? Take you? Do you feel your bones? Does the bones take you? Do you feel your bones take you? Take you? Do you feel your bones? Does the bones take you? Do you feel your bones?
Like what, 60 bucks? Anybody want it? Alright guys, so unfortunately we're actually gonna have to take off the bumper because we gotta put screws on the tabs. You guys can see like right here, you know, it doesn't really stay too good. So we're gonna have to put screws on the inside of the tabs, and we can't fit it with the bumper on, so we're gonna have to take off the bumper, and then well yeah, we'll just show you guys the whole process. Alright guys, so the camera actually died, but we just put it back on, and the screws, I'll just show you guys on this side. We just put screws on the tabs on some of them, not all of them. You can see right there, one right there, and then on the edges right there. So we didn't put screws on all the tabs, just the ones we thought that might need them. So yeah, now we're gonna go ahead and put this back on. Alright guys, so we put some screws on the tabs. Make sure it doesn't fall off at all. Everything's on good right here. This is how it's looking. I will soon get my exhaust in, so I'll have a quad exhaust setup. But yeah, this is how it's looking. If you guys were considering getting a quad carbon diffuser for your F10s. If you guys want to see more F10 and 55 videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down what kind of videos you guys want to see.